Hello students, this is 14th lecture for Business Statistics Paper 1 SY BCom students. Name of the topic is Theory of Attributes, Examples and Problems on 3 Attributes. See the example. Examples based on 3 attributes. Method of dot operator n. Given that ABC is equal to 26, frequency of A beta C is equal to 18, A B gamma is equal to 38, A beta gamma is equal to 12, alpha BC is equal to 12, alpha beta C is equal to 6, alpha B gamma is equal to 16, and alpha beta gamma is equal to 9. To find frequency of class A, frequency of class AB, frequency of class A beta, frequency of class AC, and frequency of class BC. Now AB, frequency of AB can be written as frequency of ABC plus frequency of AB gamma, which is equal to 26 plus 38. So the answer is 64. Frequency of A beta is written as frequency of A beta C plus frequency of A beta gamma, which is equal to 18 plus 12, that is nothing but 30. Frequency of AC is equal to frequency of ABC plus frequency of A beta C, which is equal to 26 plus 18, so answer is 44. Frequency of BC is nothing but frequency of ABC plus frequency of alpha BC, which is equal to 26 plus 12, the answer is 38. Frequency of class A is written as frequency of class AB plus frequency of class A beta, which is equal to 64 plus 30, answer is 94. Now we will use another method to find the frequencies. So this is the tabular form we have to draw. The table contains 3 columns: A, alpha, total. Again, A is subdivided in 3 parts: 1, 2, 3. Alpha is divided in 3 parts: 4, 5, 6. And total is again divided in 3 parts: 7, 8, 9. These are the numbers given to the columns. Then in every part we have to write B beta total, B beta total, B beta total. Here we have C gamma total. Then we will name the cell. This is ABC. This cell is called as A beta C, total of AC, alpha BC, alpha beta C, total of alpha C, total of BC, total of beta C, and total of C. This cell is A B gamma. This is C and gamma total, C gamma total. So this cell, name of the cell is AB gamma. Name of this cell is A beta gamma. This becomes A gamma. Then alpha B gamma, alpha beta gamma, total of alpha gamma, B gamma, beta gamma, total of gamma. Then total AB, total A beta, total of A, frequency of class A. Alpha B, alpha B, alpha beta, total of alpha. Then total of B, total of beta, and capital N. So this is the blank table we have to draw first. Again I will explain you. First of all, make 3 columns: A, alpha, total. A is subdivided in 3 parts. Alpha is subdivided in 3 parts, and total is also subdivided in 3 parts. In the second row, number the columns: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then write down B beta total, B beta total, B beta total, C gamma total. Then name each and every cell and remember the relation between the columns. The relation between the columns are 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 4 plus 5 is equal to 6, 7 plus 8 is equal to 9, 1 plus 4 is equal to 7, 2 plus 5 is equal to 8, 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So we can substitute all the values in the given table and we can find the remaining values as value which is given is ABC is given as 26, frequency ABC is 26, A beta C is 18. So we can find the value of AC as 26 plus 18 as 44. Alpha BC value is given as 12. Alpha beta C is given as 6. So we can find alpha C as 12 plus 6 which is equal to 18. Then BC value can be calculated as 1 plus 4. So 26 plus 12 is equal to 38. Then beta C can be calculated as 18, 2 plus 5, 18 plus 6. So 18 plus 6 is 24. Then we can consider 26 plus 18 is equal to 64. That is nothing but frequency of AB. 18 plus 12 is equal to 30, which is frequency of A beta. And frequency of class A can be calculated as 64 plus 30. That is nothing but 94. Then alpha B can be calculated as 12 plus 16 is equal to 28. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. That is alpha beta. And total of alpha can be considered as 18 plus 25. 18 plus 25 is frequency of alpha. Now we know that frequency of class A and frequency of class alpha will give you a total frequency, that is N. So this way we can calculate the remaining values. So from table we can get the values. AB is equal to 64, A beta is equal to 30, AC is equal to 44, BC is equal to 38 and value of A is equal to 94. Next example. Find out the remaining class frequencies given the following frequencies of the positive classes. Value of N is equal to 12,000. Frequency of class A is equal to 977. Frequency of class B is equal to 1185. Frequency of class C is 596. Frequency of class AB is equal to 453. Frequency of class AC is equal to 284. Frequency of class BC is equal to 250. And frequency of class ABC is equal to 127. The remaining frequencies which we have to calculate are alpha, frequency of class alpha, frequency of class beta, frequency of class gamma, frequency of class A beta, frequency of class alpha B, frequency of class A gamma, frequency of class alpha C, frequency of class alpha gamma, frequency of class B gamma, frequency of class beta C, frequency of class beta gamma, frequency of class AB gamma, frequency of class A beta C, frequency of class alpha BC, frequency of class A beta gamma, frequency of class alpha B gamma, frequency of class alpha beta C, and last frequency to be calculated alpha beta gamma. We know that frequency of class alpha is nothing but N minus frequency of A. So which can be calculated as 12,000 minus 977. So frequency of class alpha is 11,023. Frequency of class beta can be written as N minus frequency of class B, which is equal to 12,000 minus 1,185, which is equal to 10,815. Then frequency of class gamma is nothing but n minus c, which is equal to 12,000 minus 596. So the final answer is 11,404. Then we will calculate A beta. We will use the method of dot operator to find the formula. So A is positive, we will write A as it is. Beta can be written as 1 minus B dot n. Open the bracket. A into 1 becomes A into minus B becomes minus AB dot n. So A dot n can be written as frequency of class A, and AB dot n is written as frequency of class AB. So A beta, the formula becomes frequency of class A minus frequency of class AB, which is equal to 977 minus 453. So the answer is 524. Similarly, alpha B, the formula can be developed using method of dot operator. Alpha can be written as 1 minus A, B is positive, dot n. Now multiply by B, so B minus AB dot n. So it becomes frequency of class B minus frequency of class AB, which is nothing but 1185 minus 453. So the answer for frequency of class alpha B is 732. Then A gamma. A is positive. Gamma can be written as 1 minus C dot n. So open the bracket, we will get A minus AC dot n, which can be written as A dot n can be written as frequency of class A, and AC dot n can be written as frequency of AC, which is equal to 977 minus 284. So final answer for A gamma frequency is 693. Next part, alpha C. Alpha can be replaced by A1 minus A, C is positive dot n. Open the bracket, it becomes C minus AC dot n. The formula becomes frequency of class C minus frequency of class AC, which is equal to 596 minus 284. So the answer for alpha C frequency is 312. Then alpha gamma, both are negative. So we will replace alpha by 1 minus A. We will replace gamma by 1 minus C dot n. If we open this bracket, the values becomes 1 into 1 1 minus A minus C plus AC dot n. Now multiply by n. So 1 dot n becomes n. A dot n becomes minus A minus frequency of class A minus frequency of class C plus frequency of class AC. So replace the values, we can get the answer as 12,000 minus 977 minus 596 plus 284. So the final answer is 10,711. Next frequency, B gamma is equal to, B is positive, gamma can be written as 1 minus C dot n. So if we open the bracket, it becomes B minus BC dot n. So it is nothing but frequency of class B minus frequency of class BC. So replace the values. So B gamma is equal to 1185 minus 250. So the answer is 935. Then next value which we want is beta C. Beta can be written as 1 minus B C dot n. So C gets multiplied with 1, it becomes C minus BC dot n. So after opening the bracket, we are getting the formula as frequency of class C minus frequency of class BC, which is equal to 596 minus 250. So the answer is 346. Now beta gamma can be written as 1 minus B into 1 minus C dot n. So if we open the bracket becomes 1 minus B minus C plus BC dot N. So the formula becomes N minus B minus C plus BC, which is equal to 12,000 minus 1,185 minus 596 plus 250. So answer of beta gamma is 10,469. Next value, AB gamma. So A and B are positive. Gamma can be written as 1 minus C dot N. So multiply, open the bracket, we can consider AB minus ABC dot N. So the formula is written as frequency of class AB minus frequency of class ABC, which is equal to 453 minus 127. So the answer is 326. Next value which we want is A beta C. So beta can be written as 1 minus B. A is there and C is there. So if we open the bracket, it becomes A minus AB C dot N. Again multiply by C. So the formula becomes AC minus ABC dot N. So if you multiply by N, the formula becomes frequency of class AC minus frequency of class ABC. Replace the values. The final answer becomes 284 minus 127. So value of A beta C becomes 157. Next value, alpha BC. Alpha can be written as 1 minus A BC as it is dot N. So multiply by BC. The formula is BC minus ABC dot N. So which is nothing but frequency of class BC minus frequency of class ABC. So we can consider 250 minus 127. The answer is 123. Next value which we want is A beta gamma. A is positive. Beta can be written as 1 minus B. Gamma can be written as 1 minus C dot N. So if you open the bracket 1 minus B and 1 minus C, the bracket becomes 1 minus B minus C plus BC dot N. Now multiply by N, it becomes A minus AB minus AC plus ABC dot N, which is nothing but frequency of class A minus frequency of class AB minus frequency of class AC plus frequency of class ABC. So which is nothing but 977 minus 453 minus 284 plus 127. So the value becomes 367. Then we will develop the formula for alpha B gamma. Alpha can be written as 1 minus A. B is positive and gamma can be written as 1 minus C dot N. So multiply by B. The first bracket becomes B minus AB into bracket 1 minus C dot N. If we open both the brackets, it becomes B minus AB minus BC plus ABC dot N. So the formula can be written as frequency of class B minus frequency of class AB minus frequency of class BC plus frequency of class ABC, which is equal to 1185 minus 453 minus 250 plus 127. So the answer is 609. Then alpha beta C. Alpha can be written as 1 minus A. Beta can be written as 1 minus B. C is positive dot N. So if we open this bracket, 1 minus A minus B plus AB C dot N. Multiply by C now. C minus AC minus BC plus ABC dot N. So we can make the formula as alpha beta C is equal to frequency of class C minus frequency of class AC minus frequency of class BC plus frequency of class ABC, which is equal to 596 minus 284 minus 250 plus 127. So the final answer becomes 189. Now alpha, beta, gamma. All the three are negative attributes. So alpha is replaced by 1 minus a, beta is replaced by 1 minus b, and gamma is replaced by 1 minus c dot n. So multiply first and second bracket. It becomes 1 minus a minus b plus ab into bracket 1 minus c dot n. Now multiply with the second bracket. We are getting the value as 1 minus a minus b plus ab minus c plus ac plus bc minus abc dot n. So if you multiply by n, the formula becomes n minus frequency of class A minus frequency of class B minus frequency of class C plus frequency of class AB plus frequency of class AC plus frequency of class BC minus frequency of class ABC, which is nothing but 12,000 minus 977 minus 1,185 minus 596 plus 453 plus 284 plus 250 and minus value of ABC is value of ABC is 127. So minus 127. So if you solve these values according to their signs, the answer is 10,110.